Hello all, this is Mageshwari from Fatima College and I am here to give just an introduction about RDBMS. RDBMS, it is a relational database management system. The data is stored in the form of tables and there is a relationship between these tables. The data get processed by using RDBMS and the sequence of operation on the data to convert it into useful information. Different operations and methods are applied on the data to convert that into useful information. The maximum possibility of operations that can be applied on data are: you can perform arithmetic and logic operation to send and receive the data from one location to other, and you can classify the data, and you can also arrange the data in a specific order. Usually there are three methods of data processing. You can do the data processing manually, mechanical data processing, and electronic data processing. Before entering into how the data gets stored and how it gets processed, there are data models in order to integrate the collection of concepts for describing and manipulating data, and it can also give a relationship between the data and the constraints on the data in an organization. It is used for representing entities of interest and their relationship in the database. There are three major types of data models: record-based data model, object-based data model, and physical data model. First of all, we'll go for record-based data model. The record-based data model specifies the overall logical structure of the database and provides a higher level description of the implementation. Record-based models are so named because the database is structured in fixed format records of several types. There are three most widely accepted record-based data models. They are hierarchical model, network model, and relational model. The next database model is object-based model. In this, object-based data models are used to describe data and its relationship. It uses concepts such as entities, attributes, and relationship. Following are the common types of object-based data model: entity relationship, object-oriented, semantic, and functional. Next, we go for the next data model called physical data model, where it describes how the data is stored in the computer and representing the information such as record structure, record ordering, and access paths. There are two types of physical data models. They are unifying model, frame memory model. In case of hierarchical data model, it is a data model in which the data is organized into a tree-like structure. The data is stored as records which are connected to one another. In this example, you can see that the university is being connected to the department and the faculty in a hierarchical fashion. In network data model, it is same as hierarchical model that except that record can have multiple parents. In network data model, the three basic components are record type, data items, and the links between the data model. Next one is relational data model. The relational data model stores data in the form of table. The relational model consists of three major components like the set of relations and the set of domains that defines the way the data can be represented, integrity rules that define the procedure to protect the data, and the operations that can be performed on the data. I hope you will be getting an idea about what are all the data models that are available in the RDBMS. Thank you.